In this video, I'll teach you how to do a back bend step by step in only 5 minutes. All right, let's get started. Timer starts now. First things first, we have to warm up so we don't get injured. The main body parts we use in this bend are the wrist, shoulders, hip flexors, and back. First, roll out your wrist making circles in both directions, then clasp your hands together and draw figure eights with your elbows kissing. Place the top of your hands on the ground and gently push forward, then flip them and do the same thing the other way. Moving on to the shoulders. Place your hands behind your head like you're chilling on the beach and pull your elbows back. Do the opposite motion with your hands behind your back to stretch the other way. Do whatever other shoulder stretches you like until your shoulders feel good to go. It's super important to get your back warm. Move on to all fours and do several rounds of cat and cow. Really drop your belly down towards your mat. Then draw a circle with your spine like you're a cat throwing up a hairball. Place your hands under your chin and push back to get your upper back stretched. Next, lay flat on your tummy and go for seal pose. Draw the top of your head forward and back so you don't crunch your spine. Moving on to hip flexors. Do not skip these bad boys. They're what protects your spine from getting hurt. Go into a lunge with your knee over your ankle in a 90-degree bend and your other knee on the ground. Utilize something like yoga blocks if your hands don't reach the floor just yet. Alternate this position with a hamstring stretch to create dynamic stretching. Make sure to do both sides. Great, now that we're warm, it's time to learn the 10 main skills you need to get before fully doing your back bend. Feel free to pause the video and try the skills as we go. Number 1, shoulder bridge. I'm confident you can do this one. Lay down on your back with your knees bent and squeeze your glutes to lift them as high as you can go. Number 2, tabletop. Same motion here, just on your hands with your arms straight. Number 3, camel. Pop up to your knees, push your hips forward and arch back. Try to do this with your hands above your head to practice going backwards. Number 4, wheel. Here's where it gets really hard. But you got this. Place your hands by your ears, push your hips up like in tabletop, and straighten your arms all the way. Number 5, bridge rocks. Shift your weight onto your legs and lift your hands off slightly. It's okay to practice with a pillow at first. Make sure your weight is in your legs or you will fall. Number 6, holds. Walk your hands in towards your feet. Try to straighten your knees while pushing your hips forward and shifting your weight onto your feet. Number 7, C-curve and stand back up. Slowly arch back to make a C with your spine. Practice holding it further down each time. Number 8, walking down a wall. Keep your eyes at your hands and get used to the feeling of going all the way down. Number 9, placing your hands on an elevated surface. Practice this with lower levels until you feel confident. Keep your arms straight. Number 10, your final back bend. Let's put it all together. Reach your arms up to the sky and look at your hands so you know where you're going. Lift up and back slowly while squeezing your glutes and your hips forward. Land with arms straight, close to your feet, and breathe. Hey, you Buddha, breathe. Now you can do a back bend all by yourself and you're free to explore different shapes. Quick tips. Rotate the eyes of your elbows to look at each other to prevent hyperextension. These are your elbow eyes. Push away from the ground to prevent shoulder injuries. Keep your feet parallel, no duck feet for balance, and push your hips up and forward to prevent back pain. Now you can do a back bend all by yourself and you're free to explore different shapes. But wait, we still have time left. How about you use this time to click the link in the description and download the free guide of everything we learned today. And remember, stay stretchy!